Hello students, good morning. Today we will discuss about the English Literature chapter 7. A man becomes the moon. So there is a man who became the moon. So let's see what is the story is all about. Once upon a time, there was a blacksmith. He always complained of his hard work in the sun. He wanted to be a stone on a mountain where the cold wind blow. So, students, here is a man who always complains about his job, and his job was of a blacksmith. So, once he said to a man that he wants to be a mountain where the cold winds blow. A wise man who had all the powers came to him and said, "Go, you blacksmith, be a stone." And the man became a stone. So, here is a man who has all the powers. He tell the blacksmith, "Go and become the stone." One day, a stone cutter came and start hitting on that stone. "This hurts too much," the stone shouted. "Now, I wanted to be a stone cutter," said the stone, and the man became a stone cutter. So again, students, the blacksmith who became the stone, one day there came a stone cutter, and he started breaking the stone. So the blacksmith who became the stone getting hurt. So he started shouting that he wants to be a stone cutter. The wise man listened to him, and the blacksmith became the stone cutter. When he went searching for a suitable stone, his feet became sore and he got tired. He said, "I want to be the sun now." The wise man came and commanded, "Go, be the sun." And he became the sun. So again, the blacksmith who has became the stone cutter now, while he was searching for the stones, so his feet become to get pain, and he got tired. So he said he wanted to be the sun now. And the wise man came again in front of him and said, "Go and be the sun." But the sun was so hot that he could not bear his own heat. He again whimpered, "I wanted to be the moon." It is very cool. The wise man spoke again, and the blacksmith became the moon. So, the blacksmith, who became now the sun, again whimpered that he shouted. Because he could not bear his own heat. So he wanted to be the moon now, which is very cool. And the wise man again came in front of him and said, "Go and become the moon." But this time something has happened which is very different. So let's see what is very different. The moon is warmer as it gets its light from the sun. I have felt enough heat. I wanted to be the blacksmith I was. Now the wise man replied, "I'm tired of you. You have to be the moon now and forever." Now the blacksmith shines till today high in the sky. So students, what happened this time? The blacksmith now have become the moon. But when the sun rises, the moon come in front of him. And because of sunlight, the moon became warmer. So again he was feeling heat. So now blacksmith said that he wants to become the blacksmith again. But this time the wise man was very tired of hearing the blacksmith's wish again and again. So he said, "You will be the moon forever." So the moon which we see in the sky is the blacksmith. So this is the blacksmith who has become the moon. So students, here we have done the story. So now let's do some of the new words. So here is the first new word, blacksmith. What it means? A person who makes and repairs things by iron rod, iron by hand. Complained, to said someone that you are not satisfied. Shouted, to spoke out in a very loud voice. Whimpered, make a series of low feeble sound expressive of fear. Replied, something someone has said or written. So students, learn these new words by heart with their meaning. So here are some of the exercises. Try to do the true and false and the fill in the blanks which is given below.